up, everybody? Listen, don't get scammed. Don't get played, man. I'm telling you, these people will play you. They will use you. They will take your money and laugh at you. Trust me, even dealerships, okay? If you come to a BMW or a Lexus dealership, sometimes they scam, dude, for real. Anyway, first off, remember, clean out this area. See this leaf? The leaves? See the debris right there? Anyway, BMWs, all right? This is a Lexus, but BMWs don't have a dipstick like this, and you can't really change your oil. They set it up so you got to take it to a dealership, okay? There's one way to test your oil, okay? I'm going to show you. It's simple, easy. As long as you have enough oil in your engine, you can probably go for about 30,000 miles easy on an oil change. So they know this, and they feel like, well, I'm not going to change this oil, somebody else will in the next 3,000 or 6,000 miles. So they just, whatever. So this is how you check your oil. Check if they changed your oil, especially if you have a BMW, okay? You just go like this, all right, and the little drip right there, you see that? You can see that this oil is nice and clean. It's okay if it's yellow like this, okay? It's a little darker, a little brownish color. It's okay if it's this color. Look inside here. I'm gonna try to zoom in, and you can literally see that oil. That is clean, nice oil, and this is like 2 months old oil in this Lexus. I've changed it about 2 months ago. I put synthetic oil. Remember, a lot of times synthetic oil is a little darker than regular oil, okay? But before you change your oil, you gotta come out here and do your diligence, okay? You take that thing out, you drip some oil on your napkin, and you can see that this is a clean oil, right? You can clearly tell. Yes, it's a little brown and a little darker, but that's okay, it's synthetic. But a lot of times you take your car in, they don't even change your oil, bro. And it happens every single day.